Thank you very much. It is absolutely an honor to be here. Excellency Director General, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the people of Ethiopia and the government of Ethiopia, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to the entire team of FAO for their 80th anniversary. We are very deeply grateful that Ethiopia's Green Legacy Initiative launched in 2019 by our Prime Minister, Dr. Abiy Ahmed, is being recognized internationally today as best practice in sustainable forest production and protection. What began as a very bold vision has now grown into a national movement, planting more than 47 billion seedlings and increasing our forest coverage in Ethiopia from 17.2% in the first 4 years only up to 23.6%. And it's a story about people coming together. It's a story about hope taking root. And so I warmly invite you all to come to Ethiopia, to visit Ethiopia, and to walk amongst those forests and see for yourselves what people coming together can do and what hope can actually bring into action. On behalf of the millions of Ethiopians, I thank the FAO family, I thank the FAO team for their partnership. Together we have planted trees and we have planted hope. Thank you all very much.